Good Monday morning, everybody. I'm going to show you what we did over the weekend. We got my floor in the front part, all of it. Extremely excited with it, how it turned out. Looks really good. And got my light up. I built this kind of a rustic. I don't know what you want to call it. I guess a light fixture or where the lights go into. I just didn't think it would look that great just on that metal. So I put like a pallet wood rustic fixture. I'll put some rope around it. I'm not quite done, but painted the bases of the lights that I bought, the LEDs, brown, and just turned them on. Extremely excited. It really is turning out awesome in here. I'll step out here a little bit if you can see the flooring. It's just super awesome, I think. So anyway, it's coming right along. We'll be done here in a week or two. Everything takes about 2 weeks longer than you ever dreamed about, but anyway, it's getting there, guys. This is where I got to put my counters in here yet. But it's awesome. Love it.